So, in solving the great circle initial course and distance, we have first solved about the dilong. In order to get the dilong, you have to subtract the longitude 1 and longitude 2. As you can see, the dilong is 61:27.67 east. So, why east? Because the longitude 1, 0.35 is going to longitude 2, 0.4 west. So, this direction is going to eastward. So, that's why we called it east.
In getting the distance, we have the formula to be followed. But first, we have to do the rule. If like side, add, but unlike side, minus. But in our problem, as you can see, this is unlike side. So, guys, first step, we must substitute. Where you substitute the problem and the formula. To get this answer, we have to multiply cos L1 times cos L2 times DLO to get the 0.4398. And the second one is we have to also multiply sin L1 times sin L2 to get the product of this 0.0507. So we have to subtract to get this product 0.3891. So guys, to how to get this 67 degrees, 6 minutes and 5 seconds. To get this, we must do the shift cosine. Try it with your calculator to get this one. Shift cosine, then write 0.3891 to get this answer. So try it with your calculator, guys. Oh, see, and the answer is 67 degrees, 6 minutes, and 5 seconds. So, to get the nautical mile, we must times this with 60. Times 60. So, 67 degrees, 6 minutes, and 5 seconds for 36 times 60. The product of this is this one. Try with your calculator and check if it is correct.
So cadet, I'm here again to discuss about initial course. So same sign minus, unlike sign plus. So in this situation we have unlike sign. So sin L2 substitute is the substitute for 07 degrees 54.36 minutes. And the answer for this is this 0.1375. And this sin 21 degrees 37.95 minutes times cos 67 degrees 6 minutes 5.36 seconds. This is the distance. So you need to multiply this to get the answer 0.1434. Next one is this cos 21 degrees 37.95 minutes times sin 67 degrees 6 minutes 5.36 seconds. So the answer for this, you need just to multiply this to get this 0.8563.
As you can see, the product of the sin L2 plus the product of the sin L1 times cos distance is 0.2809, and we will going to divide it by the cos L1 times sine distance. So the product is 0.8563. So the answer is 0.3280. The next thing to do, we'll go into shift cosine in order to get and convert it to degree. So the answer is 70 degree 51 minutes 9.26 seconds. So the answer is north 17.8. So this number is belong to quadrant 1. When you are belong to quadrant 1, we'll going to minus the 180 of the number below. So 180 below 70.8. The answer is 109.14. This is how we get the initial course.
Hey guys, the formula of cos log V is cos L1 times sine initial course. Remember the initial course is 70 degrees, 51 minutes, 9.56 seconds. And the product of it is 0.8781. And we're going to shift cos, then convert it into degrees. The cos log V is 28 degrees, 35 minutes, 9.56 seconds.
So, to check our answers, we can use the app navigation calculator to check if our answers are correct.
So hello guys, we're gonna use the app navigation calculator and we're gonna click for the great circle calculator, and first we're gonna input the latitude one, which is 21 degrees and 37.95 north, and for the longitude one is 0 to 65 degrees 42.207 west, and for the latitude is 07 degrees and 54.36 south, and for the longitude 2, which is 004 14.535 west. And we're gonna click the calculate button, so it will show us the total distance, the initial course, and the latitude of vertex. So in order to get a full detail on how they answered this, we can also click the calculation detail to get more info. So in here, they show us how they get the D long and the D lat, and here they also have a distance formula and the total distance, and in here we have the initial course and its formula, and also the initial course, which is 109.16. So that's it.